Dr. Smith, physical therapist, and this is Mobility Monday. We're here with Nate. Say it louder. Nate Hammond. Nate has some back pain, so I'm going to teach him how he can get out of the back pain on his own. So where's your back pain located? Upper back. Do you have any lower back pain as well?
Right now, just upper.
Right now? Okay, so with upper, what we're going to do is he's going to lay down on his stomach. Once he's on his stomach, what he's going to do is he's going to take his hand out like this. Put your hand up towards the ceiling. Engage here. Bring this arm back toward me, lifting it up. Bring it all the way back like you're being arrested. All the way here, and then go back again. He's going to do that 3 more times. So what we're doing here is we're engaging his scapular stabilizers, which is going to reduce the force through his neck and his upper back, and hopefully get him out of neck and back pain. I'm also going to do a quick manipulation on him just to be nice. So now he's going to do it with the other hand. Arm up, point the thumb up. There you go, good. And back. 3 more times. All right, now try to do both at the same time. Does that feel different?
Yeah.
For how you normally move?
Yeah.
What are you feeling differently?
Well, it feels like a good stretch.
Yeah, it feels like a good stretch. So the reason he's having back pain is that he's never really engaged in these muscles in isolation work. If you want to download my unilateral protocol, go ahead and send me a message. But this is really going to help him with his posture and his pain through his back. He does this every day. It's a good rehab exercise. Stand up. Move around, see how it feels.
Yeah, feels awesome.
Feels awesome?
Yeah,
Say it loud.
Feels stretched out and awesome.
All right, so join me tomorrow for Just a Tip Tuesday. Just kidding. It's Topic Tuesday. All right, so what's up?
Inside my shoulder blades is like where it kills every day after work, dude, just from like punching over, chopping.
But that feels better right now, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So do this every day for a week. Let me know how it feels. Thank you for watching the Mobility Monday video. If this was helpful, please comment below. What I'm also going to do is link some other videos that will help with this condition even further. So Nate's a chef, so he's always bent over and cooking, but this will help not only if you're a chef, but if you're an online coach or doing a lot of data entry, sitting at your desk, driving all day, anything like that, this will help. So try everything out. I'm going to link below and what I did in this video for a week, and let me know how it goes. And stay tuned for every day a new topic that's going to educate you on how to move better, how to get out of pain, and most importantly, help you stay active. Again, I'm Dr. Smith, physical therapist, and thank you for watching the YouTube channel.